What's up guys, Heavy is here, back at another video. Just came back from PA, Philly, with my nephews, and I did something that I thought I would probably never do. So recently my nephews got their license, so they're gonna ask me to drive my new car, and this is what happened. So hope you guys enjoyed. And let's see how they did. Okay, go.
What's going guys blazing? I prepared today with test driving Savvy's car. I know he's mad and nervous.
You wish?
Are you?
A little bit, yeah. That's what we're just going local for now. Yeah.
Have you ever zoned out while you drive?
No.
Of course you're gonna go to the Julia's house away. I'm going to my bus stop. Oh, you only wait for cars here.
Yeah, be careful though.
I know. See this? I don't like this road. Look in front of you, cannot see straight.
Yeah, it's double park people, and sometimes they park the other way around.
I know.
You know, I drove illegally once.
Yeah.
Yeah, I moved out.
In the driveway.
No, it was outside.
No.
Yep,
Everybody does that.
I drove when I was like 3
Everybody does that.
or 4. I drove the yellow scooter, remember?
Here at the sea here. How are you guys? I forgot how to speak because I didn't do YouTube in the wrong time.
And
morning, boy.
You mean?
My speed limit 25 the morning. I'm going 25 now. Julia, you want a ride? She's not here. Can you enter this or does it do not enter? Can you enter it?
Do you see? It's one way. So
Yeah, you could enter it.
yeah.
What's the bro on again?
No, as for the scarecrow, the white one.
Yeah.
That goes.
Great.
This sport is looking at me up in the window.
What kind of parking skills these?
I don't know.
Mustang.
They're your neighbors, man. You tell me.
Or Julia baby sister's house.
Passing your girlfriend's house.
No, that's the
Passing your cousin's house.
That's the Raj's girlfriend. Guys, stay tuned for Behind the Truth. It's coming out 2020 never.
2020 never.
Damn part horn, guys. This guy's deep. I'm being sad he is.
Yeah, be careful with the potholes because this car is kind of low, so it's not turning brick inspection.
Yeah, that was slowed down.
Mm.
The steering don't touch that much.
Because it's new, that's why it's not like custom. Steering turns a lot though.
Oh no. One time I forgot to start the car, right? The Jeep. I was like, why the fuck is not going? I was like, oh.
You have the keys, right?
Yeah, I gave it to you. Isn't it in here?
No.
Where?
Yeah, I have it.
I know, but it says how we driving if we don't have these.
No, I have the keys in here, but like, you know.
Where is it? You gonna go to Abby, his friend's house, and go flex on them? Yeah.
You gonna go flex on them without even a car. That's not even your car.
The next day,
Yeah.
what happened to your car?
You want me to go on this road or no?
Yeah, you could go on this road. You could go around.
Or you want me to take a U-turn here?
Up to you, wherever you feel comfortable. To make a
Let's
U-turn.
go on the highway.
The highway? 2 hands on the wheel, man. I'll pass my road test on my one hand. Dolly can see shit. How close are you going to the car? No, nowhere near close.
It was nowhere near because it just looks like that because we're low.
So how long you get to drive? 5 minutes? Or how long do you have?
Let's see, 5 minutes. So like, you know, so we have like, you know,
So Savvy, how you like your car?
I love it.
Love it, baby.
I love it, I love it, I love it.
Oh, what's up,
Rita?
Rita? How you doing?
Can I play the clip
Yeah.
face of them? I love it, I love it, I love it. Remember the corn dog video?
Yeah.
Your first car.
That's how you dodge potholes, man.
Uh,
That's how you dodge potholes. So I'm gonna be alright.
you have 1 minute left.
Okay.
Then it's Reggie's turn.
I'll go back home. You can stop on there. Yeah, you could stop on there, so it's fair amount driving.
Yeah, that's true.
Stop right here. No, I'm straight to Rio Creek. Now, pull over somewhere.
Yeah, we go home, we could drive there.
Don't go in the gate.
Why? You can't reverse it.
But what's the point if you get out of the right?
No one took the trash away. What kind of house is this?
You know this house right here with the brown fence, right?
Yeah.
Someone was killed in there.
Oh damn! You should have done a video. Like all this neighbor that
That's
passed
not
away
respectful.
haunting me.
You know you could go.
Yeah,
first,
he's
right?
not gonna let me go. This guy can drive. Told you.
You know, everyone with big tires can even drive though.
Yeah.
Most of girls drive with big ass cars, so it's obvious.
Yeah, you know before they used to drive small cars. Now girls are driving big cars now.
No, because they're not scared that much now.
No, because like they realize that the bigger cars have more production now.
Yeah.
And you can see more higher.
Most of girls drive big cars.
I crashed
Like a Range Rover.
Man, this fucking 3 can see shit.
Pull over right there.
Now I'm going to a house.
Alright, 5 minutes is up though.
Yeah, that was that you could get 10 minutes then.
It's only
Content, do you see?
do your intro and your outros. You know,
Okay,
your
guys,
experience.
That's okay. So this car is nice to drive, and I'm about to head to my house so my birthday could get to drive. And if you enjoy this video, comment glad to say yes for his new car. You know, he got like 6 months ago, right?
Technically, I got it last year, but it took forever because of the fucking stupid Corona shit.
No.
Oh, we should park it right in there as a joke.
You know
The
you're allowed
bus,
to
we
do
number
that.
the bus driver went in there. Okay, guys, this video end here. Peace out and have a nice day. Welcome back, guys. Paradise here, bringing you guys another video.
Man, to the
Today,
right.
we got Sabias here. I'm
What's up?
Honda Accord, Ford, and the street is that's dummy. They put the
Go,
bus in the way, and he got a Honda Accord.
Sports
Ford
2019.
2019, yeah. And
So
yeah,
boring.
Man, you went into the Kumba.
what
Like,
the
not Kumba, the Kunda. What do you call that shit in Punjabi? Why the fuck you got green Kunda?
Green Kunda. Oh, this?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be yellow, you know?
You
No.
know, made,
It's green and it's white.
you know, made the whole thing
No, the white is
rhyme.
income car.
Yeah.
Nah.
You got right. Because you want like, oh, damn, they do not. I have to go there for hearing.
Yeah, right, it could go, right?
Yeah.
And I was saying if I could get around it, not the way to go in there. Just put the car in reversing.
No, that's not
Guys,
gonna
we
work.
got a dog here named Popper. Man, my bad, I scratched your car, I hit the Prado. Are you fine with that?
I live in New York, man. I hit a lot of potholes. Just don't break the tires.
I think you broke the right tire by
Man, what
fogging
happened?
the right front tire.
Guys, my
Oh, this
bus-
one is me scratched it. Rajma scratched it.
Not
It's
me,
heavy.
because I'm a person.
No, let's go there.
No, but like you know what? When the curbs are like kind of low and you're
Yeah.
parking there, right?
Yeah.
So you can't really see. Yeah.
That one leave we attached to type it in. You know, you supposed to like him through
And I stopped at the stop sign first.
Yeah, you-
stop sign.
Yeah, you don't have one, so you're supposed to go first, man.
For real, he did this?
No.
That why you think the school bus take a stop sign up? That guy will let you go.
It's serious. So how you
Does
dug
any
when you
of
see a
these
pothole?
You don't duck. What he ducked?
No. You remember his post on Instagram?
To me?
He had the pothole post.
Oh yeah. You know the thing that send you?
We are going. That's a bit too far.
A little girl driving my car. Oh, part of the letting my nephews drive my car. Since he doesn't have his license yet or his permit. In a parking lot. Keeping it safe. Pretty much empty.
Very much easier.
Except for back there.
Except for back there, that's why we're keeping it over here.
You could go around that so you have.
Alright. Okay, you know what to do? Or,
Yeah.
alright, you know how to put in gear? Okay, that's good.
I taught him that part.
Alright.
Oh, that's that light.
Yeah, it's light. It's light. So it's new, so it can be easy.
Yeah, don't just press the radio so you.
How
Yeah.
about test the tuning?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Take a U-turn if you want to.
Make sure you have space to, don't hit the pole and stuff. Or the curbs.
Parallel park. You got your foot halfway on the brake. Watch the whole left.
You watch the whole ass pole.
That one driving bingo.
This parking outside that doesn't matter.
No, like, if crossing the pole, it still matters, man.
I'm not gonna go near the copy yet.
In the parking lot, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Mike, yeah, even if you crash the pole, it matters, alright?
Hey, you said not crashing, driving bingo.
Oh, driving bingo? Yeah, it doesn't matter if you drive bingo.
Oh, guys, bingo means sideways, right?
Bingo means not proper, sideways, basically.
Oh wait, I'm not with my seatbelt. Dumbass.
Damn, failed already. Safety first, guys.
Yes, don't tell my mom.
Why? You said I was dropping my head? Well, it's not my fault already.
No one tell mom or someone with
yeah.
Cause it's a kind of illegal right now at my age, right?
Yeah.
But not in India.
They don't really care over there.
Now it's illegal.
India,
Yeah, it's illegal now.
As long as you don't drive in the city,
I'm not speedy. Yeah, I could get adjusted. Let me test my parking scale real quick.
So serious?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. See, this kid's why you in. This good parking, right?
$10 to let me drive.
Nah,
I'm supposed to do it.
Keep your
No,
money.
that's not you was parking. I'm kidding.
Ain't nobody ever gonna ever stop me. And I know that I could be a little cocky. That's the byproduct of hard work. No, it's not free. I'm at a top speed. I think you lost me. Do not cross me. I keep driving.
And so that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Was a little bit hesitant of letting them drive my car, but they did pretty good. So like this video if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe. Go check out their channels. Will be down below. Subscribe to them. Show everybody some love. Help them get to at least 500 subs each. I know you guys could at least manage that. So if you guys let them know that it came from Savvy. So that's it. And that's pretty much it. Like this video, subscribe to everybody, subscribe to me. I'm almost at 10k. So thanks for watching. Love you all. Peace out. Stay safe.